Guys, if you're building your funnel, use your visibility settings to improve your design, especially for phone view. So sa funnel guys, meron tayong desktop mode and mobile mode. So paano nga ba gamitin ang visibility and why is it important? So for example, this is the desktop mode and this one is the mobile mode. So what if gusto kong ibaba to? Now, if you're gonna go back to desktop mode, ayan na siya, and I don't like it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the visibility to change my phone layout. So I'm gonna duplicate this one. Now, the first one, I'm gonna hide that to phone mode. So sa phone mode, isa lang yung makikita mo. Then this one, the second one, i-hide ko siya sa desktop mode. So wala na siya, guys. Now, whatever I'm gonna do on the mobile mode, kahit i-enter ko to, guys, it won't affect the desktop mode. Same concept din kung may section na ayaw mong makita sa phone, just hide it on mobile. For example, this image, just uncheck. So when you check it on mobile mode, it's hide now. So guys, it's simple, but it gives you more control over how your funnel looks on different devices. Especially dito sa mobile, guys, because this is where most of your traffic comes from. So yun lang. Bye!